So the challenge that we all have when we do fiber to the home projects out there in the world is junking up our poles. If you're a utility guy, you ride down the road and you look at poles and you see them fibers stacked up there and they've got holes drilled every 6 inches coming down the pole trying to dead end fibers, multiple fibers. Hey, this is Mike Pridmore, Territory Manager at Utility Service Agency here today in Louisville, Kentucky at the PLP booth with my buddy Spence, who's in camouflage. So none of the competitors can see him. But
Cognito.
A couple years ago, we came out with the multi-drop brackets for fiber to the home organization on the pole. You put up to 8 on this location. This cleans up your pole. Instead of stacking those fibers and drilling all those holes, we can go direct to this. And then we have the other option, which is more like a set of brass knuckles right here. I can boom, knock somebody out with this thing, knock somebody out, you know, like the competition. But this goes multi-drop bracket as well, and you have the bottom. What I'd like to highlight today is the latest and greatest invention, and Spence is going to tell us a little bit about this baby right here.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is our limited tension dead end bracket. This bracket is designed to bring in 2 limited tension dead ends at one single point of connection. This can be bolted or banded, goes up against the pole, and it gives you the correct turning angle on that cable. So this is what that bracket's meant to do.
So I like the old method of keep it simple, stupid, right? This is it. So this is going to prevent your J hooks from pulling out and whatnot. It's going to allow you to dead end on the side of a pole, in line on your fiber. What we want to do is keep our poles looking as good as possible, because if you're a utility guy, like I said, you ride down the road and you look up and you see what the organization of the pole looks like. So these solutions hopefully will help you do that as you execute your fiber projects. Please reach out to PLP, Utility Service Agency, for all of your fiber organization needs on the pole and keeping things looking good. Thank you.